Okay, so field testing of the modular wheel unit. So these are the collars that hold the wheels, hold the bearings on. You see some significant wear here, and you can see how that wears back there. So these are basically sacrificial wear bearings. They're just washers, but you can probably use a thrust washer in there. Thrust bearing, probably good, and that's one of our tractors. The other tractor has the thrust bearings on this. Should probably go to those so that we don't wear out these. These are replaced after, this is about 100 or 200 hours of use, so probably got to do better than this kind of wear that we see here. But anyway, that's how the shaft goes into the coupler. This is a double chain coupler. There's a little bit of play in there, which is fine. And this is the key that got eaten away. This key, basically, when the shaft came out a little bit because the bearings didn't hold, the collars didn't hold. There's 4 collars that were preventing the outward motion. But once this shaft slipped out, that's keyway here. Once this key slipped out, there was too little holding it, and it got eaten away. Right there, just snapped.
How do we know which collars failed? Because these ones are tight.
Yeah, these are tight. These were tight. The ones here, and the ones that were outside here, these ones outside here and outside here, they basically ended up slipping. They slipped. So for now, as an immediate fix, we'll put 4 of them here, so 2 extra ones, from 4 to 6, and then eventually we'll do this spacer in between these 2 bearings, where this bearing, there's going to be a bearing on this side instead of this side, and the spacer between that, and that spacer has to be pinned or locked onto the shaft to prevent inner or outer motion.